Jesus Christ, the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last, with the beginning, the end, the middleman. So many titles, and yet he fulfills every single one of them. The first and the last. Jesus, the middle one, the firstborn of creation, the firstborn of the dead, the firstborn to rise from the dead. There's everything is so congruent. There's not a gap. There's not a gap. He became human like too. What more do you need? What more do you need? He gave us everything, didn't he? He literally did. And we're still like, I don't know if I'm gonna give my life to Christ. I don't know if I'm gonna put my faith in him. He rose from the dead. He rose. And he paid for your sins. Name me something that he didn't do. Because he pretty much did everything. Like, he fulfilled everything. He walked on waters.